Hey everybody, uh, it's March 15th, 2017. Going to talk a little bit about the trades I took today on crude oil. It was the crude oil inventory report day, and also it was the interest rate statement. But I wasn't able to trade that. I had some appointments this afternoon, so just going to show what I did. My recording did not come out from earlier, so I'm just going to scroll through this. But price kind of jumped up right after the report came out. Now, as a rule, and I've mentioned this in some of my other crude oil report videos, I like to wait at least 5, sometimes 10 minutes or more before putting on a trade. And the basic reason is you can get really whipsawed by some chaotic price action. Now, we had moved up. I started seeing what looked to be some signs of reversal. And even though 5 minutes hadn't gone by, I'd say it was more like 2.5. I saw this and I liked everything I was seeing. Saw the watchdog popping up, phase looking good, and I got in. But what I failed to take into account, of course, was 48.50. And yes, in crude oil, these 50s, these 00s, they can often cause a bounce. And sometimes, there's a little battle going on. And that was kind of a mistake between entering too soon after the news and not letting it really make another pass through this area. And price started scrolling back up. Now here, this looked good. I felt pretty good about the trade at this point. Again, everything looking good. We're passing through here a second time. And I was down to 48.43, which is about 7 ticks. And I really was looking to make 20 or 30 because on oil report days, once that order flow gets going, you can get some pretty big moves. So 7 ticks didn't seem so appealing. But we definitely, again, started rebounding off this area. And my stop at this point was about right here. And I got out before we hit the stop. I felt it was pretty much inevitable. So I lost 12 ticks there. Price just started really moving up. It was taking out these areas, and I probably again should have waited, but I got a little antsy, and this is a lousy entry because to get in here your stop has to be down here, and that's almost a 20 tick stop. Pretty unacceptable, but I was confident it was going to keep going up, and kind of didn't really think that this was going to affect it that much, but it failed twice, broke through the bottom, and I would have probably been smart to get out about now. And I took a 13 tick loss. So right now, it's only like 10:43 and I'm down 25 ticks on the day. So not off to a very good start. I did see a series of these A reversals, and I liked everything I was seeing, and I got in at 48.54. And again, I had about a 30 tick target. This time, it hits the target. Okay, price started moving up a little bit. You see we got a series of 3 little tops here and started breaking through, moving up. Interacted with this. Everything started looking good. We took out this swing. We took out this swing, 50. And although it was a little late to the party because I really wanted some confirmation after 2 losses, I got in. And I got in at 48.51. And price stayed in that spine. Everything looked pretty good, and I got out with a 21 tick win. and price never really tried to get through there again. I felt I was up pretty good after being down, and that's pretty much where I called it a day. So that's it.